Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ka Sorkar jala uba polling do ulaong balada ka long kumno ru omdei ban ailat ya ka Jingshah Liang bakan sensyar hapo kano katanat trekam jong ka Sorkar bat usngut hu ru ya ka jingpen pau jong ka sengke SU ya ka jingsngu kya dak bawan ra ya ka jingkeli ba pher bat ula pentik naru baka Sorkar kandon hakaliang jong ka Jingbishar hok bat kan sabishar banya halor ki habe keren bat kilat pathai kubor mentaka sngi ka pratarik nailar arhajar arpusau nakaliang uba polling do ula pentip hak bede bak jingdon jong ka jingelang ka banya keren ya kimat ba pher nakaliang jong kum menteri ula kular ban kata ya ki babon kimat ki bede bat ki kam jongok kai ka jing jong ki banya kali kamai bat ki we ru shu uba pol ula ong ru hak bede bak jingdon jong ki katuk aningut ki brio ki bala penjulor bat penprai ki mati ban penne jingken mau yu khlawat gari utirot sing siem ula ong bakatu kala pen I ka jingbom khen buram jong ki henry kum ka jela kan yeng rasong biang bat kan ya chakmat hak bede bak ki kam ban pen kiu ya ki jing itanat jong ka jela ling ba ki kam jongok kai perthai.
Well, without any shade of doubt, we should not encourage nepotism at any level. And I understand that the key issue has raised certain objections, certain queries about the alleged instances of nepotism. Government will certainly be on the side of justice and fair play, and we will take that to its logical end. Yeah, the conclave is now scheduled for the 14th of August. It'll be a day-long affair where I will be inaugurating the conclave in the morning. We will involve stakeholders across the entire spectrum of the tourism sector, and about 200 plus participants drawn from various activities involving tourism will be invited, and the Honorable Chief Minister will create the validity program.
So the issues of the tourist taxi, All Meghalaya Taxi Association, their issues will be discussed?
Yes. All those issues raised by them, and also issues raised by the forum will be discussed. There will be separate discussions throughout the day, and we hope that by evening we should be able to arrive at certain points of convergence, and then come up with a strategy that incorporates and takes care of the interest of all the various stakeholders in the tourism sector. We will first seek a report, since it is an autonomous body. We will first seek a report from the department concerned, and this report will then come handy before the Chief Minister, who will then decide whether it will be placed before the cabinet. And I'm sure that we will have very fruitful and productive discussion and arrive at a decision that will ensure that there is no iota of doubt left on the minds of people where fair play and transparency is concerned. Yeah.
Thank you.
To begin with, have now become disabled friendly. This has happened very recently, and the next course of action would be to bring educational institutions under the ambit of this project. Since a new government has just taken over at the center, I will be constantly in touch with the new minister in charge. In fact, plans are already on the anvil for a one-to-one meeting with him.
Well, sir, why is it that, in fact, we have seen that even the toilets in the schools and colleges are not disabled friendly? Where these students will go? How they are going to cope up?
As I said, in the immediate phase, we will be covering educational institutions, for which the Directorate has already been asked to prepare an inventory of requirements. So we are in the process and we should hopefully be able to initiate plans on at the field level in the immediate future.
Incidents. So, how are you going to address this problem?
It's a very temporary setback. It's unfortunate that this group of anti-social elements went ahead and did what they have done, damaging the reputation of Meghalaya in the eyes of the world. But I'm sure that we will bounce back very soon. As you are aware, major acts are on the anvil. The various tourism festivals will carry on as usual. Brian Adams will be here performing in December. Alan Walker will be here performing in September. And already, just a while back, I got information that for the Brian Adams show itself, as many as 10,000 tickets have already been sold. So it's going to be a huge tourist season this year, and we, the government, has not taken anything for granted. We have taken up the concerns of the NGOs on registration of migrant workers very seriously, and therefore there is no reason for anybody to take the law into their own hands.